J Clap here again. This is our final episode. I'm so glad that you've been joining us for all of this. I was so excited about that first dress and I thought that was going to be the one, but the second Nefertiti showed me that second dress, I was absolutely blown away and I knew it was going to become something absolutely magical. So if you will just keep watching, you'll see all of the love and care and attention that Nefertiti gave this gown, and it will not disappoint. So here we go. This is Creating Black Magic.
Nefertiti here at the Corny Rainbow, and I have surprise mail. I finally got my Spoonflower fabric to create this beautiful dress for Vivica C. Cox. I'm so excited to finally get started on this project, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a sneak peek of the fabric. So it's a lot. Just gonna dive right in. I already had a sneak peek, but oh my gosh, I love this fabric. This is the Modern Jersey, and we have pineapples. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can't wait. Stay tuned. This is the reveal of your Black Magic dress, and I will say that I have really enjoyed making this dress, but I also struggled. Okay, you ready for me to?
So ready. I'm so ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna straighten it up and twist and turn it for you. So here we have Black Magic.
Oh, it's so gorgeous. What I love about it is I can just see, like, everything is just makes sense.
This dress form is not doing the dress much justice, but your sleeves are exposed here.
I'm so happy.
And we have some more ostrich feathers on the sleeve. I did line the inside, so the bodice is completely lined and the skirt is not, but when you give a little peek of that arm, we have that black inside there.
Yeah.
I'll do a little twirl.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
I hope that it meets your expectations, and I cannot wait to see it on your body, on Vivica's body. I need this in my life. That's the most important part for me, is seeing it on you. So I can look at it on this dress form all day long, but when I see it on you is when I am then complete.
I love it. And I know how Vivica's body works. I mean, it's something that I have been perfecting for such a long time that I just know, I know how this dress is going to work, and it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. Yay! I love it. You did such a good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Trust me, I see how you gathered that skirt to give that volume.
Oh, I will say this. It's very hard to gather knit and make it work. Knit, knit. It's usually just no gathering, no special seams. I have looked at this dress and I cannot, from looking at it, tell that it's knit fabric.
That's true.
That is what I was going for. Overall, I had an amazing time creating this for you. And I really think that you're gonna love it.
I'm over here putting the whole look together. Like, I'm planning and scheming. I have jewelry picked out, and it's just like, I'm so ready. I'm so ready.
I know you are.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm like, the world is on fire right now. So like, this project has been giving me a little bit of like hope and whatnot. So I'm very, very pleased. Thank you.
Thank you
so much. And thank you, Spoonflower, for bringing us together and giving us this opportunity. I know I'm happy.
Yes, I'm very happy too. I'm over the moon for this entire project. I can't wait until you have it. I can't wait until the world sees it. I'm really excited about this.
Hello, world. So we are officially live here. This is the House of Cox Restorative Drag Brunch, ready to do some soul-filling, joyful moments for you. Now we're going to bring to the stage the incomparable Vivica C. Cox.